Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be checking out the new Grow Tag update. So here in the message of the day, the text turned purple because they added new text, and it says that the debris is cleared and a brand new road above the tree tops have been opened. Hop in the left and take to the skies with the brand new leaf lighters. It is time for Tag to reach never before seen heights. Sit with the Leaf Ninja bundle and soar above the clouds with a brand new setting in the sky. You will be sure to need the proper flight gear from the Flying Monkey store. So, because it says sky, I think that it's Clouds map, because it's the only map that really is in the sky. And recently, a bunch of debris fell in and it blocked the entrance to sky. And I think hopefully at this update is good because like most people, like Clouds is always like the map getting hated on because people don't really like it. Me too. I don't really like it that much, as I found it really boring. Like, it was fun at first, but after a little bit, then it just got boring. Hopefully, map will be better. So first, I'm gonna check out City. I'm just gonna ignore that real quick. I'm gonna check out Flying Monkeys.
Do you see a parrot? Look. Yes, me. I'll do it. Now go get some more people
Cloud.
for me.
And this looks epic. This looks cool. A rainbow thing. Bird mustache. Oh my gosh, she added the pilot outfit. Oh my gosh. And the free cosmetic. The pilot thing.
There's a free cosmetic? You want to see how good I am?
Bruh, so the monkeys joined the Air Force? That's crazy.
Wait, Pink.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest. This is epic.
Yeah.
Like, bruh, monkeys are evolving. Like, bruh, somehow they were able to craft a flamethrower, and now they're turning into ninjas. Like, bro, that's crazy. Flower.
Red.
I don't really find it that cool, not gonna lie. I don't know how it works. Bird hat. Oh my gosh, there's a little birdie that comes up. I'll give me you. I just have to.
Then I won't have any.
I'm a pilot. Sunglasses.
How about you can donate
Mustache.
So what is it? What is it?
And the bird mouth thing. Epic. Bro, I'm gonna be honest, bro. This has got to be one of the coolest things. Like on the outside is rainbow stuff, and there's like white clouds, and it's glitter. And at the bottom is just sadness. Like, it's just sadness.
Can you donate to my
Bro, and then it's just sad, like rain and crap.
Bro,
Berries.
Can someone drop kick a
Oh my god, bro. Races now, bro. We can have monkey racing now.
donate to my live stream?
Epic NASCAR racing. Like,
Can you donate to my live stream?
ooh. Hold on, bro. I'm gonna move my head. Oh.
Can you donate
dude.
to my live stream?
Yes, anything. Alright, time to go see then. Bro, how'd you get that? Oh, wait. At least I removed the other fur. This one is way better.
Can you
Now, I'm not hating on Girl Tag right now, but like, I didn't really like the other fur that much. I mostly just liked, I like this one because it's bird.
follow me?
I'm a pilot. We got the backpack. We got the outfit. And we got the hat. So real quick, I'ma just buy the free cosmetic. Now I'm gonna take that off. Put my orange shirt back on. There you go. So I guess it's now time to check out the new Blue Cloud. Ooh, this is pretty nice. Very comfy and cozy. Bro, oh Bro! Oh my,
Right down there.
bro! This was under all of that debris. Bro, so it was a lie. This was under all of that old debris stuff out of new clouds. Oh my god.
You don't have to die.
This is so crazy. Who was playing Past Life? So, bro, I want a glider so bad.
No. Let me show you.
No, man, can I have the glider, man? Please, bro, can I have it? I want it so bad. Give me the glider.
How do you even get one of those?
Real quick, can I have one? Can I have it real quick? I want to try it out.
Wanna know why I played that song?
How do you get the glider?
I don't know. No, man, can I have the glider? Ah, no, but the glider, please give.
No thanks.
Bro, where are all the other clouds at? I mean, where are the other? Is there any more gliders? I want one so bad. Bro, that is epic. Oh, so lucky. I think I'm probably going to join private because I can't get a cloud.
I'm just standing on the ground.
I think I'm going to join a private.
Wait, you wanna come to my lot?
Yeah, that's a pretty stable code. First, oh, there's it is. Oh my gosh, there it is. I want to hold it. So, I can just... I'm gonna pursue my dream of skydiving monkey. Ugh. Oh, this is so sick. Bro, this is actually so sick. How do you even control it anyways? How do you control this? I don't even know. I want to learn how to control this thing. Dang, bro, looks like the movement slows down by a lot when you grab it. Grab it from here. I don't know how to even grab it right. Ugh, I'm doing it! Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm skydiving. Bro, I need to learn how to control this right. How do you even control this thing? Like, it looks so complicated. Bro, I thought that would be easy to control. It's actually so difficult. Bro, I have a skill issue. I should have never been hired to be a skydiving monkey. Because I don't know how to even control the thing that I'm using to skydive. Like, that's how much I suck at the... How do you even control it? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah! I'm just gonna leave you here. Oh my gosh, this new... Bro, I'm gonna be honest. This has got to be like my favorite map now. Like, to anyone that actually liked the old class, I'm sorry, but I like this one way better. Like, I find this one like way more fun to play with. Cause skydiving monkeys. Whose idea was it to even give the monkeys the power to skydive? Oh my gosh, the berries are still here. Nom, nom. See? little bird sounds. That's pretty cool. Hold on, so doesn't that mean that the old clouds was blocking this? It was just mounted on top of it, and then the tornado came. Hold on. Yeah, that's a tornado. Because when the clouds collapsed, it showed like a tornado symbol. And doesn't that mean the tornado came inside of clouds and collapsed it all? Oh my gosh. Oh, bro, imagine. Hold on. I think I get why they added like a little thing, like a little racing flag, how you can race with people. Yeah. Crap. To be honest, that cloud ambience is kind of creepy. Oh, I'm going to that one. What I? So I have no glider. I think I can make it. I did it. Oh, now there's vines instead of ropes, which I think that suits this map a little bit better than the ropes, cause it's clouds. I don't know how to explain it. Like why I think that the vines belong more than the ropes. Crap. You know, it gets kind of scary when you look down because of how high you can go up now. Like I remember clouds being like pretty short and tiny, but now like this is on a whole new level. No! How am I gonna believe? Crap! No. Right, it's actually so difficult. Like the fact that the clouds movement like changed up from the old clouds movement just makes it harder to do everything. Like moving around, it's so difficult now. These vines, they ain't really helping that much. New clouds music, that's pretty cool. Alright, bro, this is actually so peaceful. And the music just makes it way more peaceful. And the map layout. And the fact that they added gliders and now know how to work them is crazy. Maybe they can add like glider skins and like effects, like when you're flying around, like there's a little trail left from the glider, like example, or a rainbow trail. That would be pretty cool for this new clouds. I feel like it's kind of impossible to go back up when you don't have a glider. I feel like now this is like the old clouds used to be the map that I hated the most because I didn't really like it and it was kind of boring. But now I think it's my favorite map now. Like the changes that they made. I think they can reach that. I did it. You have to parkour, like, you have to do very creative parkour to get back up when you don't have a glider. Because if you have a glider, you can just easily get back up. I'm gonna figure out how to use this glider. So I kind of feel like oh my gosh, it's so difficult to fly around. How do you even fly around with it? This is sick. I want to get the green one because it's greener. Alright, grab it from here. How about I don't know how to grab it right, not gonna lie. Whee. Oh my gosh. I'm on the glider. Fortnite be like. Oh, you have to hold it up straight. Oh, it's so difficult to control. The people that watch my videos, can you like please tell me in the comments like how to control it right? Cause I don't know how to. I suck at this game. I suck at the monkey game. Right, this is basically impossible for me to control. Like, how do you control this glider? It's so confusing. Like, when I glide for too much, then I just fall straight down like this. Maybe I have to get the leaf bundle and become a Gorilla Tag ninja. Whee! Oh, that's pretty cool. A little skydive. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Oh my gosh, this update is actually so cool. Funny run! Imagine how fun playing tag with the gliders would be. Right now I am imagining how fun tag would be with the gliders. Or how about like being a hunter to some, and then you have to chase them in a glider. Just seems absolutely sick. Paintball, I don't think so. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Like I saw some, like in the other server, in the public server, I saw some guy controlling it like perfectly, like he could even land. That's what I want to learn. So, I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I believe that I've checked everything out. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.